Engineering managers play a crucial role in guiding teams, overseeing projects, and ensuring the successful delivery of technical solutions. When interviewing for this role, candidates are expected to demonstrate not only technical expertise but also leadership, communication, and project management skills. Employers want to see that an engineering manager can balance strategic planning, team development, and hands-on problem solving. Whether you are moving into management from an engineering role or seeking a leadership position in a new organization, the interview process is designed to assess both your managerial competencies and technical understanding. From handling team conflicts to making architectural decisions, you will be evaluated on a range of scenarios. In this guide, we'll explore common engineering manager interview questions with sample answers and tips, so you can present yourself as a confident and capable leader. Question 1. Why do you want to be an engineering manager? Answer. I want to be an engineering manager because I enjoy mentoring engineers, guiding projects to completion, and influencing the technical direction of products. I find satisfaction in helping team members grow professionally while ensuring that projects are delivered efficiently and with high quality. Leadership allows me to combine my technical background with strategic planning to create impact at both team and organizational levels. Tip: emphasize a blend of technical expertise, leadership, and passion for team development. Question 2. How do you prioritize tasks across multiple projects? Answer. I prioritize tasks by assessing project impact, urgency, and dependencies. I use tools like Jira or Trello to track progress and regularly communicate with stakeholders to adjust priorities as needed. For example, during a product launch, I balanced urgent bug fixes with longer-term feature development by delegating tasks to appropriate team members and setting realistic deadlines. Tip: show structured thinking, organization, and delegation skills. Question 3. How do you handle underperforming team members? Answer. I start by identifying the root cause of underperformance through one-on-one discussions. Once I understand the challenges, I set clear expectations, provide guidance, and offer training or resources to help them improve. I also schedule regular check-ins to monitor progress. If performance does not improve, I work with HR to explore appropriate next steps. My goal is to help team members succeed while maintaining team productivity. Tip: highlight a fair, supportive, and solution-focused approach. Question 4. Describe your experience managing technical projects. Answer. I have managed several projects involving software development and infrastructure upgrades. For instance, I led a cross-functional team to build a scalable web application, setting milestones, tracking progress, and ensuring adherence to quality standards. I coordinated with product managers, QA, and DevOps teams to resolve blockers, and we delivered the project on schedule with all objectives met. Tip: use real examples and highlight results, teamwork, and problem solving. Question 5. How do you approach hiring for your team? Answer. I look for both technical competence and cultural fit. I assess candidates through technical assessments, behavioral questions, and problem-solving exercises. For example, when hiring a new software engineer, I evaluated coding skills, collaboration, and adaptability. I also involve team members in the process to ensure alignment and engagement. My goal is to build a high-performing and cohesive team. Tip: show that you hire for both skills and team dynamics. Question 6. How do you manage conflict within your team? Answer. I address conflict promptly and objectively. I encourage open communication and give each party a chance to share their perspective. Then, I mediate the discussion to find common ground and establish actionable solutions. For example, 2 engineers disagreed on the design approach for a critical module. By facilitating discussion and evaluating pros and cons, we agreed on a solution that satisfied both technical and project requirements. Tip: demonstrate diplomacy, problem-solving, and leadership presence. Question 7. How do you ensure your team meets deadlines without compromising quality? Answer. I set clear expectations, break work into manageable milestones, and conduct regular reviews to track progress. I encourage open communication to identify risks early and implement corrective measures. For example, in a recent sprint, we encountered unforeseen technical challenges. By reallocating resources and adjusting priorities, we met the deadline while maintaining code quality and rigorous testing. Tip: balance delivery and quality, show strategic planning and adaptability. Question 8. How do you handle changes in project requirements? Answer: I manage changes through careful assessment of impact on timelines, resources, and technical feasibility. I communicate the implications to stakeholders and update the project plan accordingly. For instance, when a client requested additional features mid-sprint, I evaluated priorities with the team, adjusted timelines, and negotiated scope to maintain project objectives without overburdening the team. Tip: show flexibility and strategic communication with stakeholders. Question 9. How do you mentor and develop your engineers? Answer: I hold regular one-on-one meetings to understand career goals and challenges. I provide constructive feedback, pair junior engineers with experienced mentors, and encourage learning opportunities such as workshops or online courses. For example, I helped a team member transition from a junior to mid-level role by providing guidance on complex projects and fostering problem-solving confidence. Tip: highlight proactive mentorship and measurable outcomes. Question 10. How do you stay updated on industry trends and technology? Answer: I regularly attend webinars, read industry blogs, follow technology leaders, and participate in professional communities. For example, I recently explored cloud-native architectures and microservices to guide my team in adopting best practices. Staying informed helps me make strategic decisions and guide the team effectively. Tip: show curiosity and continuous learning as part of leadership. Question 11. How do you measure team performance? Answer: I use a combination of metrics such as project delivery, code quality, peer feedback, and team engagement. For instance, I track sprint completion rates, defect counts, and velocity while also gathering qualitative feedback during retrospectives. This helps identify areas for improvement and recognize high-performing team members. Tip: show a balanced approach using both quantitative and qualitative evaluation. Question 12. How do you balance technical involvement with managerial responsibilities? Answer: I dedicate time to review technical designs and provide guidance, while delegating execution to team members. This allows me to stay informed without micromanaging. For example, I participate in code reviews, architectural discussions, and critical problem-solving sessions, while trusting my team to handle day-to-day coding tasks. Tip: emphasize leadership, delegation, and technical oversight. Question 13. How do you foster a positive team culture? Answer: I promote open communication, recognize achievements, encourage collaboration, and celebrate milestones. For instance, I implemented weekly knowledge-sharing sessions and informal check-ins to keep morale high and ensure the team feels supported. A positive culture improves engagement, retention, and productivity. Tip: show that you actively cultivate a healthy and motivated team environment. Question 14. Why should we hire you as our engineering manager? Answer: you should hire me because I bring a blend of technical expertise, leadership experience, and a proven track record of delivering successful projects. I focus on developing high-performing teams, ensuring quality execution, and aligning engineering efforts with business goals. I am committed to driving both team and organizational success. Tip: this is your final pitch. Highlight leadership, results, and alignment with company objectives. Closing thoughts. Engineering manager interviews assess not only your technical proficiency but also your leadership, communication, and strategic thinking. Employers are looking for managers who can build strong teams, solve complex problems, and deliver results under pressure. Preparing real-life examples, Understanding project management methodologies and reflecting on leadership experiences will help you answer confidently. Remember, the role of an engineering manager is to empower the team while maintaining accountability and quality. By showing a balance of technical expertise, managerial skills, and emotional intelligence, you can present yourself as a capable and inspiring leader ready to drive success.